everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about some signs and symptoms of a bad fuel pump. In this video, I'll be going over 4 specific signs and symptoms of a bad fuel pump. If you see a few of these signs and symptoms together, it is usually a reason to go get your fuel pump checked out because it might be failing on you, and you definitely don't want to be stuck on the side of the road with a fuel pump that doesn't work. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first sign and symptom is the car's power is lost when climbing uphill or carrying a lot of cargo. Now you see, when your car is climbing uphill, when you are climbing uphill with your car, or when you're carrying a lot of cargo, the engine is under more stress than usual. Therefore, the engine is going to require more gas or more fuel than usual. And the fuel pump has to provide the engine with that extra fuel. But if the fuel pump is weak, if it is failing, if it is going bad, or if it is already bad, then it cannot provide enough fuel to the engine when it is under that extra stress. So if you realize that your car is struggling when it's climbing uphill or when you're carrying a lot of cargo, even if you just have a full car of people, that is considered to be a lot of cargo with most smaller cars, then a fuel pump may be the culprit. A bad fuel pump or failing fuel pump may be the culprit because it just can't get enough fuel to the engine. Okay. The second sign and symptom is that the engine doesn't start. This one's straightforward, but there can be many reasons why the engine doesn't start. A bad fuel pump is only one of them. Now, basically, if the fuel pump is not working and if it cannot get fuel to the engine, then the engine won't start. If it can't get enough fuel to the engine doesn't have what it needs to start, and the result is that the engine will not start. It's pretty straightforward, but like I said, and if your engine doesn't start, don't just go replace the fuel pump. It's only one of the potential reasons. There are hundreds of reasons potentially why your engine wouldn't start, but a bad fuel pump is most definitely one of them. Number 3, the third sign and symptom is going to be the engine sputters at high speeds. So what happens is, if you notice that the engine sputters and then goes back to normal at high speeds, then what's going to happen is a fuel pump is not supplying a constant stream of fuel to the engine, and that's why it sputters. So the fuel pump is supplying a little bit more fuel, a little bit less fuel, exactly what it needs, a little bit less, a little bit more. If it's not supplying a constant stream of fuel, and this is especially true at high speeds, you'll notice that it sputters. So it's going to sputter, then it's going to go back to normal. Sputter, then it's going to go back to normal. You're not going to be able to get, the engine is not going to be able to get exactly what it needs. It's going to be probably getting too little fuel most of the time, and then a normal amount. And this might not mean that you need to replace the entire fuel pump, but it definitely means that you need to look at it because there's at least one part of the fuel pump that is not working properly. It might not be the entire thing, but it's at least one component that is affecting the operation of the entire fuel pump. Last but not least, the fourth sign and symptom is a whining noise coming from the fuel tank. Now, a fuel pump is a mechanical unit. And basically, generally speaking, it does make a small humming sound. That's one way to diagnose whether or not it's working. You have to listen for like a quiet humming sound. But when it goes bad, if it's not getting lubricated properly, or if it's not working properly, one of the components or the entire thing, then it's going to make a very loud whining sound. You're going to definitely know that something's going on there, and you'll be able to hear it. And whenever the fuel pump is operating, even intermittently it might happen, but usually whenever it's operating, you're going to hear that loud whining sound. If that's the case, you definitely have to look into getting a new fuel pump, or at least seeing what's going on with it, because maybe you could just replace a small part of it. But those are essentially 4 signs and symptoms of a bad fuel pump. Now, like I said, if your engine doesn't start, it could be one of many things. If your car is losing power, it can be one of many things. So that's why I always say to look for a few of these together, or like some that are getting worse over time. That's usually a sign of a fuel pump that is getting worse, that is starting to fail. And if you see them, either look at the fuel pump yourself if you have the knowledge on how to fix cars or diagnose cars, or bring it to a mechanic, or watch some videos on how to actually replace a fuel pump or diagnose it. Take it a step further. These are like sort of the warning signs that either your fuel pump is going bad or it is already bad. And that's it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.